welcome back. For this week's episode, we've got this 408 GTS with a 2300 supercharger coming here with a few repairs to be done. We got them out of the way and the customer wanting to make some more power, so we did up a quote with a list of things that we could do to get a bit more out of it. Got that over to him. He was happy to go on it, order the parts, and then get into it. So take a look.
So what I like to do with these LSs is I like to give the exhaust manifold bolts just a bit of a once over with some NECs, just so you never have any problems with them going in or going out, because we don't want them to snap. So I just like to give them the best chance possible that they have to not seize in there. And that just gives me peace of mind that we're not going to have any corrosion issues going back together, or if it needs to be removed again. To just get this middle one started, so then I can support it. And then after I have supported it, I can then go ahead and finish up with the rest of the bolts. So that is the headers installed now. That is ramjet triple steps. And now time to throw the Hanson cap back on and get that one going. Alrighty, so now to install the power intake box. I've already made a line as to where it'll sit, but I'm just going to show you guys how well these VF boxes actually fit into the VEs. As you see here, once this intake pipe goes in,
It'll just miss power steering reservoir and come right back around. And then the only reason you need to cut that is to clearance this part of the hood, as the VEs have more structural brace within the hood. So once that's done, that'll basically be this whole job, and this car will be done.
Alright, that's a wrap on this 408. I actually come in here with the balancer spinning on the crank, so lucky it was a forged crank. All the damage was on the balancer, not on the crank, luckily. Got a new balancer, put it on, rekeyed it, sorted that issue out. While it was here, the customer decided that they wanted to, you know, sort of get a bit more out of it and really turn it up. So what we've done is we put that Gilmer drive on the back of the 2300 blower just to get it spinning a bit harder, get that boost up. I think when we first put this package together, the boost was around 8 or 9 pound. It was like 480 horsepower, something like that. Now it's about 12, 13, and it's creeping a little bit. And we're at 620 horsepower now with a bit of wheel spin. Yeah, we did this intake, retrofitted the Harrop Gen F LSA airbox into it. Had to fabricate a bit of a pipe to make that work on this one. Full exhaust. We got the Ramjet triple step headers on it. Rate them, they're bloody awesome headers. They flow really, really well. A Manta catback exhaust. Yeah, we actually, while it was here, the gearbox kind of just failed driving around the car park. It got sort of stuck in between a couple of gears, so we pulled it down and we sent it to Ultimate Service Center, and they had another one of our failed boxes over there. They pulled them both apart to make one good one. That's what's in this now. Yeah, not sure what else the customer's talking about, coming back and do a heap of suspension stuff, and yeah, he's not long bought this car. We actually put this together for another customer. Now the new guy owns it. Yeah, he sort of wants to spend a bit of money on it. Again, I'll just say like how great this new space is. Really was worried about moving the dyno because we had to move it sort of back and over to make room for our new Joel's Garage gear hoist. It's actually better. It feels cleaner, neater. This whole space is turning out to be really, really good.